इतना लंबा travel.
Bangalore Darshan.
Bangalore Darshan is gonna happen only from the auto now. Because it's so far. Hello from Ibisu Palace. Ibisu Palace. My bad. We are at the Hybe India pop-up park. It's Hybe India X Samsung campaign.
We're about to enter.
We're really excited. I have really high hopes from this place, so I hope it delivers. What do you think?
It will deliver. It
Yes.
looks like it will.
This is a big day for a BTS fan to be here, to be attending this event. So I actually have no words. Like I can't express how happy I am to be here. So we'll see you inside.
Done.
Where does it say fan?
It's here.
Guys, I'm a fan.
Where are you?
Samsung Galaxy.
Oh my god, guys. Look at this.
Guys, so we're done, and I was here with Samsung. It's a very, very, very big deal for me, not gonna lie. I had the whole influencer experience, but other than that, also, I was here for BTS and I got to sing Ari Ram because I have been standing them since, they were considered cringe. This is a very big deal that in a room full of like all K-pop fans, we're all singing Ari Ram together. Very close to my heart. I'm gonna cherish this memory forever. 10 on 10 experience for a BTS
Yeah.
army.
We should have come early so we would have gotten freebies.
Yeah. So the thing was, there's this passport situation over here, and you go to like different stalls and different booths, and you get these stamps. So like 4 stamps you get this, 5 stamps you get this, 6 stamps you get like merches, like freebies. And those were like limited, and people have been here since 9 a.m. We are reunited.
We're in Phoenix right now.
No.
Sorry, we are Mall.
Yes.
The most dead mall. Like, look at it.
There's actually nobody here. And there were people here, and then once we came in, they left. So now,
I think they hit us.
travel through the metro. I wasn't able to vlog anything in the metro because I was suffering. I was nauseous the whole time. You are a Bangalorean, you'll know, but I had to take the yellow line, then the green line, then the purple line. So I changed twice, and it was as easy as it sounds that, oh, we are metro. No, you'd rather just take auto. Too far. Electronic City to Whitefield.
Shamelessly complimentary pepper.
And my favorite chutney. We have come to Salt,
Yeah,
as we said
Indian
earlier.
restaurant.
We ordered dal khichdi because I'm the Marie's here, and she's just being a very good friend and accompanying me.
I'm gonna eat it like it's dal chawal.
Oh my god.
खाते ही जाएंगे. Soumya has in fact devoured. I don't think. या तो बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही थी. पता नहीं. Yeah. Guys, we're camera besties now.
In Ishita's last vlog of the matcha places that we tried, I said soon gonna be camera besties.
Now we are. Guys, that is our update. Now we're gonna go shop.
I'm gonna go to H&M. Ishita has already been to H&M. She's seen all of there.
I'll see you again. Okay,
Guys, the bill has come. What's your guess?
My guess is 689.
I think it'll be under 500.
02.
I
It's
will-
not in fact under 500.
I was like dead on though.
But it will be under 500 when I put it on Dyna. So guys,
How
go
did you
use
guess
Dyna.
600? We had only one thing.
So this is one of the fun also so cute. Oh my god. I think it's cute. I think I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
The goods. The goods are secured. She has made me a shopaholic just like her.
Let me just tell you a very convenient way to get a ticket.
Oh yeah, I didn't know this.
Using Rapido, you can actually book metro tickets and it's so convenient. You just have to scan that QR code and you're sorted.
Yeah, because otherwise they give you the token, and I always have the fear that I'm gonna somehow misplace it and they're gonna fine me for it.
Correct.
We've come to Taco Street. Look at Ishita having her fries. It's here, guys. It's here.
This is where our friendship started.
This is where it all began. Wow.
A year later.
A
Exactly
year.
a year.
I will place my order over here. It is really good. If you want to try, you should try.
We have come to Indian Beer House.
In JP Nagar. We have ordered pasta. Oh,
Salty though.
and the tomatoes are a little more like
But it's good.
tomatoey. It's very tomatoey, guys.
It is good, but
A little more salt. The garlic bread looks really good.
how much would you rate it?
I think an 8 on 10.
I think it's 7.3.
Wow. We have come to Lacha, and Ishita is fully twinning with the Lacha. Damage done.
It's so
Wherever
cute.
we go, we spend money.
Correct.
Whose fault is it? This madam. This madam's fault.
Please, I only take people to good place. Wasn't it a good place?
It was a really cute place. I
And
got
look at the bag.
I got these earrings. And we got a cute little bag also.
We got the same rings. And also, by the way, we got the same necklace in H&M, but this girl did not want to wear it because she doesn't want to win with it.
No, this necklace was matching with this. But I did think about it, so I think that's enough telepathy proven.
This girl, wherever she goes, she gets the lime soda. I don't know what is this obsession.
Every time I feel a slight headache or nauseousness or anything, this is the only medicine you need, guys. Do not depend on Western medicine when you have lime soda.
Correct. How was it?
It's my favorite temple. I've been coming here since I was a kid. It was our go-to spot. Jayanagar was our go-to spot as like a family. So I know like chappa chappa of this place.
अच्छा बेटा बता वो किडिया फन फूड का है
वो नया खुला है. I really wanted to show Ishi the temple, but it's closed. It'll open at 5 and I think by then we'll be gone. Kedia's fun food. It's such a cute name. Guys. Yeah? Nice.
7
I'm gonna feed me.
chutney का honestly I can only taste pav and aloo.
It feels like a very South Indian vada pav.
चटनी के साथ खा के देख
Oh,
it is hot.
we're at Jumse camp. It's our first time here. and everybody loves this place, including my mom. Shout out to your mom. We've come here on your recommendation. Ghee masala benne dosa, the Moji Bangalore benne dosa.
Okay. So I will do the first try. It's good.
Damn. 10 on 10, guys.
10 on 10.
Any dosa parus, you have to come to Bangalore for this.
Guys, I changed the rating for the vada pav. I think it's a 1 on 10.
I'm not giving any rating on this.
Guys, अब हम लोग खाने जा रहे हैं.